Great morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Ohm's law. It was discovered by Ohm scientist that was from the Japan. According to Ohm's law, it states that Sir Ohm's the potential difference is directly proportional to current flowing through any conductor, or you can say it is the ohmic conductors we are talking about. There are the other terms that saying potential difference is directly proportional to current to the resistance that's flowing to it. Now we will discuss about the graph that is done in between the potential difference and the current. As you know, ohmic conductors have a straight line graph, but in case of non-ohmic conductor, it has a moving line. So, what is the resistance and resistivity? We will talk about right now this topic. Resistance, it is defined as it is the hindrance to the flow of the current, and it is measured in the ohms. So it is the ratio, basically the potential difference to the current, and the value unit of the is ohms inversely. Resistivity unit is ohm inverse 1. When we talk about the factor affecting on resistance, it's the length of the conductor. It is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to the area of the cross section of the conductor, and it is depends on the nature of the material also. What type of material is the conductor having? So that depends on three factors. The resistance depends on resistivity. They are directly proportional to each. Now the term कमिंग्स द स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस. टर्म हमारी स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस आती है विद मीन्स दैट द कंडक्टर हैविंग द लेंथ विद द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया. It depends on the material of the conductor denoted by rho, and SI unit is ohm meter. So the resistivity of the all type of different materials is different to different. For example, silver has a resistivity very lowest as compared to other metals. In case of metals, they are the good conductor of electricity. That's why they have low resistivity and resistance. But insulator have the high resistance value and resistivity value. Alloys have the medium values. So right now we are going to discuss about the factors that affect on the resistance particularly. ठीक है, रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू पर ये डिपेंड. There are two type of resistance. One is called fixed resistance. It has doesn't change its value under the optimum physical conditions. It is a fixed value. But variable resistance has changing its value according to the section and length. Now we will discuss about the electric circuit and its various parts of the electric circuit. So let's discuss it. So right now we will discuss about the electric circuits, and electric circuit has two type, open circuit and closed circuit. Electric circuit has four parts: ammeter, cell, bulb and the switch. Now we can discuss about the electronic symbols of the different ones. For example, electric cell has a symbol battery. When we are connected more than two cells, जब हम दो से ज़्यादा सेल को कनेक्ट करेंगे वो बैटरी कहलाएगी. What is the symbol of switch? Or every symbol you have to learn so that you can identify each and every circuit. Now we will discuss about the measuring device. What device we are using for the measurements. First device is ammeter. An ammeter is used to measure the electric current through any circuit. So ammeter is connected with the positive terminal of the cell to the positive terminal of the battery. Our next device is voltmeter, and voltmeter needs to measure the potential difference between the circuit. It is connected always in parallel to the circuit, and it has a positive side to connect it with the positive terminal of the cell. Now we will study about the combination of the resistance. There are two type of combination of resistances. So first arrangement is the series arrangement. In this type of arrangement, the resistance is connected with each other with respect to one terminal is handed to the next terminal, and they are connected with each other. In series arrangement, the resistance are quite same type of current is there. When two or more resistors are connected to end consequently, they are said to be series. They are said to be in connected series. When a number of resistors connected in the series are joined to the terminal of the battery, then each resistance has a potential difference across the ends depends on the value of the resistance. But the potential difference across all the ends, the all in the resistance in the series equal. So it would be the same current value in this arrangement. So this type of arrangement is done in the ammeter basically, and we know very well when a number of resistors are connected in series, then the same current flow through each resistance value. Second type is the arrangement of the series. You can see here in this figure is see here the resistance are given to the potential value is current multiply resistance first, potential value 2 means potential difference will the current into में resistance 2. So you can see potential difference की जो वैल्यू है वो resistance पे डिपेंड करेगी. जितना resistance वेरी करेंगे उतना ही potential difference भी वेरी करेंगे. Our second type is the arrangement in the parallel directions. In this, when two or more resistors are connected between the same points, they are said to be connected in parallel. When a number of resistors are connected in parallel, then the potential difference across each resistance is same, which is equal to the voltage of the battery applied. Different amount of current flow through each resistance, which depends on the value of the resistance, but the current flowing through each parallel resistance taken together is equal to the current value. करंट की वैल्यू पे डिपेंड करेगा. मीन्स इस सर्किट में बेसिकली क्या होता है कि करंट की वैल्यू हर एक डायरेक्शन में डिफरेंट होती चली जाती है. करंट की वैल्यू आपकी बेसिकली रेजिस्टेंस पे डिपेंड करेगी. सो दिस इज द मेन फीचर ऑफ द पैरेलल एंड सीरीज. सीरीज में करंट सेम है बट पैरेलल में. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.